Good morning, students. Myself Rasmi Mishra and I am teaching SST children. Here is chapter 19. Your chapter 17 is over now, and chapter 19 is our human rights. Human means manav. Rights means adhikar. Our human rights, manav adhikar, हमारा मानवाधिकार. In this chapter, you will learn about the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. How do human rights help you? Where are your human rights set out? Whom does the Human Rights Act apply to? Major human rights organizations and people who fought for human rights. You know, children, for the competition base, this chapter is really very important and necessary. So carefully read and listen. If you have any problem, so talk to me, call to me after 11 anytime. So let's start study. Human rights are the basic rights that belong to every person in the world. They ensure that all people are treated with dignity and equality. Dignity means gaurav, yani garima. Equality means samanta. You know, children, the human rights are the basic rights for every person of the world. It means that all the people are equal and they have their own dignity. We all have the right to access the basic needs such as food, water, shelter. Shelter means sharan, yani ghar. You know, children, each person have need food, water and shelter. It means house. These rights protect us from violence. Violence means hinsa, and abuse. Abuse means galat kaam ya gali. To strive to end ignorance and hatred. Thus, human rights are essential. Essential means avashyak. You know, children, the people of the world are equal. They have their own dignity, and they need food, water, and shelter. And the rights, the human rights, protect the people from violence, from hatred, from ignorance, and from abuses. That's why the human rights are necessary for the people of the world. I mean, for each person, every person. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the United Nations on 10 December 1948 and was the result of the experience of Second World War. Human rights are about compassion. Compassion means daya. Compassion means daya. Understanding means samajh. And respect means order. You know, children, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. These rights was adopted by United Nations on 10 December 1948. And why? When the Second World War experienced by the people of the world. जब Second World War हुआ था, तो जो है इसका रिजल्ट था Human Declaration Rights. And human rights are about compassion. I mean, it is a compassion, about the compassion, understanding, respect to the all people of the world. They are universal and unnatural privilege of every person which should never be denied. I mean, the human rights for all the people of the world, the single people of the world. And it is a natural and the universal rights. Human rights are the rights inherent to all human beings, whatever be our nationality, place of residence. Residence means nagrikta. Nagrik and sex Sex means link. It means the female or male. Color, religion, language, or any other status. You know, children, human rights are the rights of the all human beings. चाहे वो जो भी है, our nationality, it means the people can accept any country, can live any places of the country. They have no there have no discrimination between the colors, white and black. Here the religion, languages, and other status. It means that all people have their right to do anything. We are all equally entitled to our human rights without discrimination. They are universal. I mean, it is universal and there is no discrimination. यानी कोई भी भेदभाव इसमें नहीं है. Here the rights, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Here the principle of that. We all are free and equal. Men and women have same rights. You know, children, the people of the world are equal, and the men and the women, they have both the same rights. No discrimination on any basis. कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं किसी भी बेस पर. No slavery. Slavery means दास प्रथा, past and present. No slavery, past or present. Past में भी नहीं है, present में भी नहीं. Nobody has any right to hurt or torture us. It means nobody has right to torture or hurt anybody. And we all have the right to live in freedom and safety. It means the people have right to live in the freedom and the safety, and we all are protected by the law. And the law are made for us, so we are protected by the law. Nobody should be blamed for doing something until it is proven. And children, nobody should be blamed for anything if it is not proven. वो जो है किसी भी चीज के ब्लेम नहीं किया जाता उस पर जो कि प्रूव ना हुआ हो. We all have the right to good life and education. It means the people have right to get good life and education. We all have the right to believe in what we want to believe, to have a religion or to change it if we want. It means the people of any country, the people of the world can change their religion. They can believe what they want to, and every grown up should be allowed to choose their own leaders. And the grown up यानी जो 18 प्लस हैं वो अलाउ है उन्हें वो अपना भी लीडर चुन सकते हैं. How do human rights help you? Means human rights आपकी हेल्प कैसे करते हैं? Human rights are based on core principles like dignity, equality, and respect. I told you already. Human rights are based on the three principles like dignity, equality, and respect. They are relevant to our day-to-day life and protect our freedom to control our own life. They influence decisions made by public authorities which impact upon our rights and enable us to get fair and equal services from public authorities. You know, children, they are relevant to day-to-day life. But means our rights, human rights are relevant to our day-to-day life, and it protects us, our freedom, and control our own life. It means if the public authorities which made a decision for the public authorities make decision for the people of the world, people of the country, and they have to give fair and equal services to all the people. उन्हें सबको समान अधिकार देने की आजादी है और वो समान अधिकार उन्हें देना पड़ेगा. Human Rights Act 1998. Here the act, that is the 1998. Human Rights Act 1998 sets out the rights in the UK which are protected by the European Convention on Human Rights. This act did not invent human rights for British people alone, but it is applicable and enforceable for all people all over the world. You know, children, the Human Rights Act 1998 set out the rights in the UK, yani England, and which are protected by the European Convention on Human Rights. And this act did not invent human rights for the British people. It means the human rights was not for the British people. It is for every each people who with all over the world. यानी किसी के भी ऊपर ये लागू होता था। चिल्ड्रन, टुमारो आई टेल यू अबाउट द whom that the Human Rights Act applied to. Thank you. Have a great day.